Hey DIY lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm showing you 10 essential tools every home should have. Whether you're fixing, building, or just tinkering around, these tools will make your projects easier, faster, and way more fun. Let's dive in. Number 1. The WGG-WG015 is an 8-inch hand tool made for working with wires. It can cut, strip, and loop copper or aluminum wires between 10 and 22 gauge. The tool is built from strong carbon steel, which makes it durable and accurate. The handle has a curved shape with a rubber grip, so it feels firm in the hand and reduces strain when used for a long time. This tool is not only a wire stripper, but also a crimper. It can crimp both insulated and non-insulated terminals, which makes it useful for many electrical jobs. Because it combines several functions in one, it saves time and space in a toolbox. People often use it for home repairs, small installations, or learning basic electrical skills. Simple design, strong material, and multiple uses make it a practical tool for everyday wiring tasks. Number 2. The 5-piece putty knife set includes scrapers in 5 sizes: 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch, and 5 inch. Each knife is made from stainless steel, which resists rust and corrosion. This makes them strong, easy to clean, and reliable for long-term use. The knives are designed for many tasks such as repairing drywall, removing wallpaper, spreading plaster or spackle, and filling dents or cracks. Because the set has different sizes, you can choose the right blade for small detail work or larger surfaces. The handles combine soft rubber with plastic, giving a sturdy but comfortable grip. They also have holes at the end, so the tools can be hung for storage. A set like this is often kept in households because it covers a wide range of repair and finishing jobs. Simple design, durable material, and multiple sizes make it a practical choice for everyday projects. Number 3. The Zeit Home Toolkit is a 144-piece set designed for general household repairs and projects. It includes common tools such as a hammer, pliers, wrenches, a voltage tester, measuring tape, and a variety of screwdriver bits. The set also comes with a hardware box containing anchors, screws, push pins, hooks, and nails, which makes it useful for small installations and everyday fixes. All tools are made from durable material with an anti-corrosion finish, so they can handle repeated use. The kit is stored in a blow-molded case that keeps everything organized and easy to carry. This design helps you quickly find the tool you need without searching through drawers. The kit is practical for tasks like assembling furniture, repairing toys, or doing light maintenance around the home. Compact, portable, and versatile, it provides a convenient collection of tools for anyone starting or maintaining a DIY toolbox. Number 4. The Toolbox magnetic wristband is designed to hold small metal items while you work. Made from 1680D ballistic polyester, it is strong but also breathable, so it can be worn for long periods without discomfort. The wristband is adjustable, which means it can fit different wrist sizes securely. Inside the band are 15 magnets spread across a large area. These magnets keep screws, nails, drill bits, bolts, and washers in place, reducing the chance of dropping or losing them. This makes the wristband useful for many situations, such as assembling furniture, repairing appliances, camping, or working outdoors. It is especially practical when both hands are busy and you need quick access to small parts. By keeping tools close and organized, the magnetic wristband helps save time and effort during DIY projects or professional tasks. Simple design and everyday usefulness make it a handy addition to any toolkit. Number 5. The Hodo electric screwdriver kit is a compact set designed for everyday home projects. It includes 25 durable steel bits, 1 extended bit, and an extension rod for reaching tight spaces. The bits are stored in a magnetic case that keeps everything organized and easy to access. The screwdriver itself offers 3 torque settings, giving control for different tasks. In electric mode, it delivers up to 4 Newton-meters of force, while manual mode allows up to 8 Newton-meters for tougher jobs. A built-in sensor stops rotation as soon as the button is released, which adds safety and precision. The tool runs on a 1,500 mAh rechargeable battery that charges through a Type-C port in about 2.5 hours. For visibility, it has a circular LED light that removes shadows, making it easier to work in dark or narrow areas. Compact, reliable, and versatile, it suits furniture assembly and home repair. Number 6. The Strabito Precision Screwdriver Set is a 142-piece repair kit designed for electronics and small devices. It includes 120 different bits, covering nearly every screw type you might encounter. Along with the bits, the set provides 22 accessories such as tweezers, a suction cup, a spudger, a cleaning brush, and a magnetic mat. These extras make it easier to handle delicate parts and keep tiny screws organized. The screwdriver itself has an ergonomic handle with a swivel top, giving a comfortable grip and smooth rotation. A magnetic bit holder helps secure small screws, while a flexible extension shaft allows access to tight spaces. The kit also includes a magnetizer and demagnetizer to adjust the strength of the screwdriver tips depending on the job. All pieces are stored in a durable Oxford bag with labeled holders, making the set portable, organized, and practical for home, office, or professional repair work. Number 7. The X-Well Leather Hole Punch Set is a hand tool designed for making round holes in different materials. It works well on leather, belts, rubber, plastic, canvas, fabric, cardboard, and similar surfaces. The punch plier has 6 hole sizes: 2 mm, 2.5 mm, 3 mm, 3.5 mm for millimeters, and 4.5 mm, which makes it useful for both small hobby projects and larger tasks. The tool is made from plated steel, giving it strength and resistance to wear. A spray lacquer finish helps prevent rust, while a brass pad adds safety during use. The double lever design reduces the effort needed to punch holes, and the non-slip handle provides comfort for longer work sessions. For storage, a stainless buckle at the bottom locks the plier in a compact position. With sharp tapers and ergonomic design, this punch set allows precise holes with less strain, making it practical for home repairs or craft projects. Number 8. The Kaiweets Utility Knife Scraper is a 2-in-1 tool that works as both a box cutter and a scraper. With a button press, you can switch between functions in just a couple of seconds. This makes it useful for cutting cardboard, trimming plastic or wallpaper, and scraping paint or adhesives. The body is made from heavy-duty zinc alloy, which resists scratches and impacts. The handle has a non-slip grip for comfort and control, and the foldable design with a belt clip makes it easy to carry in a pocket or tool bag. The knife uses SK2 carbon steel blades, which are sharper and more durable than standard blades. A built-in compartment stores spare blades, and the set includes 12 replacements for quick changes. The blade can lock at 3 angles: 90 degrees, 130 degrees, and 180 degree, giving flexibility and safety for different cutting tasks. Compact and versatile, it suits everyday DIY and home projects. Number 9. The Livinggo All-Purpose Scissors Set includes 3 pairs of 8.5-inch scissors designed for everyday use. Each pair is made from premium stainless steel that is harder than standard steel, giving the blades strength, durability, and resistance to rust. The sharp, straight edges make them suitable for cutting paper, cardboard, tape, photos, light fabric, ribbon, plastic, foam, poster board, and other craft materials. The handles are ergonomically shaped with a textured, non-slip surface, which provides comfort and reduces hand fatigue during longer tasks. Lightweight and balanced, the scissors can be used by both right-handed and left-handed users. With 3 pairs included, they can be kept in different places such as the office, classroom, or home, making them convenient for quick access. The set comes in black, red, blue, and gray colors and is practical for school projects, sewing, arts and crafts, or general household cutting needs. Number 10. The Hurricane Aviation tin snips are 10-inch straight-cut shears designed for cutting sheet metal and other thin materials. They are useful for making clean straight lines or wide, gentle curves in aluminum siding, plastic panels, cardboard, and light metals. This makes them practical for tasks such as HVAC ductwork, gutter repair, or DIY craft projects. The blades are made from chrome vanadium steel, which resists corrosion and provides strength. Serrated jaws help grip the material securely while cutting. These snips can handle 20-gauge cold-rolled steel and 22-gauge stainless steel, but they are not intended for hard wires, rods, or hardened steel. A built-in safety latch keeps the blades closed when not in use, making storage safer. The handles feature a cushioned tire grip design that reduces hand fatigue during longer jobs. Compact and reliable, they're a useful tool for home repairs and detailed metalworking projects.